All right, this is the across the floor for the week, and it's going to be Batmas, right? So it's the across the floor that Miss Jenny taught. So in this one, you're going to start with your left foot back, and then your hands will be on your hips, okay? You're going to count off 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll step down on 1 with the left foot, and then you want to make sure that the heel stays down for the Batma, right? As you brush through with the right foot on 2. Now, Batma means beat, so that means at the height, there should be a quick pulse, and then you slow down as you descend, all right? So you don't want the speed to be the same. It should be quick, slow, all right? And the beat doesn't have to be all the way up here. You could even have a Batma that's here and it still looks good because there's that intention and that speed change at the top of the Batma, all right? So again, don't sacrifice your upper body to get height. You'll get the flexibility for that, but you want to work on that control so you look good no matter how high the leg is, okay? So from here, we step through on 1, you're going to brush 2. And then when you step down on 3, your hips should already be to the front. That sets you up for the next Batma, right? Which is going to be to our side. Now it says, we call it the side Batma, but in actuality, it should not, that's not your anatomy. Your hip sockets are not on the side of your pelvis, they're slightly to the front. So if you watch me from the side, when I brush through that, I'm not brushing directly to the side. I'm brushing slightly to the front because that's where my ball and socket is for my hip. So make sure you swing through wherever your turnout is. You should not be kicking directly to the side, okay? So as I pass through here, I'm kicking to that front 45, and I'm still keeping my heel down for count 4, okay? So I kick 4, and then from here, I twist 5. I'm going to be in it's called a 4th position, where your heels will be in line, but both legs are in a plie. That way I can brush my right leg 6. So your left leg will be in a slight plie, and our upper body does go with this, and we want to try and get to a flat back. And then we chasse 7 to the back, and then we step down 8, all right? 7 and 8, and then you want to make sure that your hips are already to where you're traveling. Step through on 1, and then what I said was 8 plus 1. I want to see that extra kick so that I see that you know how to get through that transition, okay? So here is the first side. 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. And then the other side. So on the other side, your right foot starts back. You're going to step down with the right foot, 1. You're going to brush with the left, 2. You'll face the camera, 3. Brush with the right, 4. And now you're going to twist 5. Your left leg should be in front. That's when you're going to brush. 6. Body comes down. Then you twist over your left shoulder. 7. You're going to step on the left foot on 8. Step on the right foot on 1, and then brush with the left leg. Okay, so this is what your video should look like. 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. And if you need to go slower, that's okay. Okay, just make sure you're counting. Thank you.